Hi and welcome. Today we're gonna look at the new product from Loop Gear. This is the LOOPDOT, and it's a really tiny EDC torch, maybe if you want it. Look how small it is, just like as small as my finger. It has a rotating wheel in here, and a screen, and a button on the top, and the USB-C for charging. And it's made of aluminium, so it's really nice. So if you press it once, it just shows you the battery, and also it turns on the light. So now if we turn it on slowly by rotating this, and then it also has feedback, it vibrates. So that's how it looks like. It's still daylight, so that will be flood, yeah. And now if you press and hold, it goes to spot, and then if you double press, it goes to the maximum. And I think if you leave it like this, it's gonna turn itself off. So you can see already I'm able to see around a bit better, and then it drops, I think, eventually, maybe not. So then if you press once, it just shuts down. If you press again, it just goes back into the same mode. If you press and hold, it goes back into this mode. If you press 3 times, you get that. You get like an SOS. And now the nice thing about this is if you press 4 times on this, it goes into the menu. So now you can look around. Each indicates a different thing. I don't think I'm going to remember all of them. This is lock. If you want to lock it, you then press on this. But these are settings. So then you have various settings around. This is how bright is the display. As you can see, that's the maximum brightness. I like it like that. Then you press again and it goes out of it. And this is some sort of indication, left, right. This one is how strong the vibration should be. I'll just leave it on low. And then this one is how fast to shut down. Okay, so now in here is where you have various actually I can't remember, because you see the symbols are a bit hard. I've played around with it, but it's not simple. So this is a yes or no, but I can't remember to what. Okay, so now if you wanna exit from here, you have to double press, I think. Yeah, double press. Those are settings. Then in here you have games and other things. So like, let's see, what is this? So this is like stopwatch, I think, or it's like a manual counter. This is a game. So in order to play, you just have to move this around. Sorry, it's a bit hard to do it while showing you guys. You just have to move this in position. It's quite cool. And then yeah, no, okay, so I'm out of it. So this, let's see what this is about. So this is a timer. I can't remember what's the difference between these two ones, but this is nice. This is like a liquid, so you just play like this. It reacts to, it could be used as a level as well. And then Oh, I went too far. So that's the game. This is various colors, and if you press and hold, I thought you would increase. I know you have to. If you rotate, they go faster and faster. So you can have different colors. All kind of variations. There's so much about this that I'm just amazed how clever it is. And he also reacts on some of them on if you shake it. Can't remember which ones now on the top of my head. You see, different colors. Just have to move around in each of these. Can't remember which one was the color. Oh yeah, this is that game with the scissors. Can't remember how it's called. You know, with the palm, scissors, and the with that game. So look, if you shake it, it just selects a different variation. This is the palm. That's the fist. Again, so you could have a nice play. So you also have like a dice. So if you shake it, so that's a 1. That's a 1 again. And that's a 4. That's a 6. So yeah guys, it's really cool actually. I really like it. You just have to get used to these modes because it's not easy. I mean, it's not easy at the beginning, but you will eventually get. Can't remember now. Yeah, so you exit from this. So yeah, we haven't tried this. What was this? So this shows you. I think that's the flashlight. This shows you the battery as soon as you turn it on. It would be nice if you had this as well. Like if you shake it, it will do something. But look how bright it is. And as it gets a bit darker, it's perfect for the, you're outside in the nature. It's not really. You don't need more than this. So then, if you press and hold, you move to spot. And I think that's the maximum. But it's pretty good. The spot, look, it just lights up so far. And it's not even, look, it's daylight. So yeah guys, there you have it. I really like it. Thanks for watching.